Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I have new hair. It has almost been a year since I've done anything with my hair. This is actually a combination of pink and purple for like a pastel-y kind of mauve color. I'm so happy with it. I did film a video on how to achieve this look or go from, you know, what I had before to what I have now. So, so happy. Did you like your orange? Do you want boob? Oh, someone wants boob. Alright, which one? I can't remember which one you had last. Okay. Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. Hazel is needing a feed. So I'm feeding her. You guys don't like it? Then feel free to skip ahead. So I cannot believe that it is the end of the year. I'm actually so freaking glad. Like 2018, honestly.
360 dunk.
But fun fact, in that video, that guy that falls down, he's actually my 6'3", 13-year-old brother. 14, is he 4? No, he's 14. 14-year-old brother. And I just made that meme. I've got his permission to post it and everything. Hilarious. Crazy, I know. All right, so backstory. I posted on Instagram to get you guys to pick what New Year's Eve look you wanted. Now, originally this look was most chosen, so I decided to film it and it ended up horrible. Like, I hated it. So I've decided not to upload it. I then obviously went back to Instagram and had a look and saw that you guys voted more for a different look. So yay, I'm here to film that look for you guys now. Start off with, to prep my under eyes, I've got no makeup on, but I thought why not do a bit of a mask to start off with. This is a new product from BYS. This is their collagen eye mask. It's regenerating for youthful skin, which sounds amazing. It's cruelty-free and vegan as well, and it's a jelly mask. You get 2 in a pack. Whew, Hazel, your head is heavy. Oh, oh, they smell like rose water. Like, I love the smell of rose water. I think that's what I'm smelling. Whew, they feel good. Okay, can I have my boob back? Thank you. Thank you. You got food all on my top now. The look we are doing today is a smoky eye. I found it floating around on, where's my phone? Floating around on Instagram or Facebook or somewhere. Oh, here it is. This is the look here. Beautiful smoky eye, but it's got like a lighter silvery black glitter liner on top, which I think is great. Looks like it's by the account Live Glam Duo, if I'm even pronouncing that right. I will link it in the description box below for you guys, but that is kind of my inspiration for the look. So I'm going to be using some BYS products today. I'm so excited. They sent me a full range of their goodies, so thank you guys so much. I haven't used these products yet, so I'm keen to see how they perform. Now, there isn't like a pure black eyeshadow with the palette, so we'll have to probably source that from elsewhere, but oh my gosh, like look at this. Alright, so I have just primed my lids just with a concealer, carved out my eyeshadows, carved out my eyebrows, so let's dive in. So I'm going to start just with this nice medium taupey colour, loading it up on a fluffy brush. So I'm just basically applying a light wash of that colour into the crease. Because we are doing a smoky eye, like I personally like to build up from, you know, medium colors to the dark shade. So because we've done that layer of the base, I'm now going to mix in a combination of this caramel shade and the slightly darker shade next to it. The glitters in this palette are beautiful. And basically I'm going to go straight under that, use that color to help blur out the transition. So I'm going to go back in with that kind of first caramelly shade. Hello, mommy. Hello, sweetie. And hello, daddy. Hey. Oh. 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 All right, I'm now going to dip into Cloud 9 from the Euphoria palette. This baby is just going to go underneath the brow bone. Okay, Okay, so now for the black, I'm gonna go in just with a matte black. This is LBD from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I'm gonna go in with darkest color from the Temptress palette, still with the same brush, and we'll start to blend that in. So I'm using more of a patting motion to softly blend those shades. So now I'm basically going back between all those colors and just blending this out. All right, so definitely wanted to keep the darkness focused on the actual lid portion. Okay, so next step for me is to go in with the Quick Flick. This is their Modest 10mm one, and I'm gonna just stamp a black line, and that will kind of be my guide for when I do the glitter liner. I'm definitely not doing a fully perfect wing because we're gonna cover this baby up. This is just a guide. Honestly, like, if you guys have not tried this baby, you are missing out. There is just one more thing I want to do before we go in with the glitter, and that is tightline my top lash line as well as my lower waterline. So I'm just using the ink liner by Pretty Vulgar. I love the packaging. Oh, it's amazing. Because I think once the glitter's there, it's going to be a little bit harder to do a tight line. And of course I'm doing my waterline as well. Yeah, it's messy, it doesn't matter. We'll be touching it up. Now I'm gonna go in with that black glitter. I have an angled brush and let's just go for it. I might mix in some silver with it. But the great thing about this is it already has adhesive connected with it, so it is good to go. Oh, you know what I'll do? Do the silver black combination in the inner portion, going to all black in the outer portion. We'll see what that's like. All right, I'm loving that. I'm gonna take this off and let's do the rest of the makeup and I will be back. Okay, so rest of my base makeup has been applied. I do have an Instagram little snippet video if you guys want to check out what I used and how I did it. So now I'm going back in with the black eyeshadow and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. Now back in with some of those brown and caramel shades. That is just gonna go around the tight line of that black and just soften it out a little bit more. Okay, so for lashes, we have these BYS glitter lashes. If you can't wear these at New Year's, then when can you wear them, honestly? So these do have a strip of glitter along the lash band, which is so pretty. Yes, so I'm going to apply these babies. So here you have the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. It is quite a simple one, but I think it's glamorous and kind of glittery and sparkly enough to be awesome for New Year's Eve. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification as well if you liked the video. Thank you for watching, rainbows. I love you all and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.